Like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe kinda hard